Hello, welcome to ABC in Zambian languages. Today you will learn about the months of the year, January to December, in Bemba. Are you ready? Months of the year in Bemba.
Imyeshi mwaka mchibemba.
January, January.
Akabengere ka nono. Akabengere ka nono.
February, February.
Akabengere ka kalamba. Akabengere ka kalamba.
March, March.
Kutumpu. Kutumpu.
April, April.
Shinde. Shinde.
May, May.
Akapepo ka nono. Akapepo ka nono.
June, June.
Akapepo ka kalamba. Akapepo ka kalamba.
July, July.
Chikungulu pepo. Chikungulu pepo.
August, August.
Kasakantowo. Kasakantowo.
September, September.
Ulusuba lunono. Ulusuba lunono.
October, October.
Ulusuba lukalamba. Ulusuba lukalamba.
November, November.
Tinshikubili. Tinshikubili.
December, December.
Mupundu milimo. Mupundu milimo.
Well done! You just learned about the months of the year in Bemba. Let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABC in Zambian languages. Goodbye.